Quetzalcoatl, here are your little creatures. You have sent them, you have given them to the earth, a place of pain, a place of torment, a place of penance. Now, you dwellers of Tamoanchan, give them your spirit that they may live on earth. He belongs to the battlefield there in the center, in the middle of the plain. Here are the shield, the spear. Take them. She belongs to the hearth, there in the center, in the middle of the courtyard. Here are your instruments of life, the reed basket, the spinning whorl. Take them. Go to earth, where you will undergo hardship, where you will undergo fatigue. Go.
He will plant.
And she will spin and weave.
He will have many children and never be idle, but always work.
They are hungry.
They are here because of our sacrifice. They deserve their life on Earth, but now they cry.
We have created humans to care for the Earth. Now we have to find them food. Quickly, what will we feed them? Where will we look?
Precious serpent will find the food.
Look, he sees something already.
Uh-huh. Oh, little one who carries things. Where did you get that kernel of corn? Oh, hard-working one. Tell me, where did you steal that piece of corn?
I do not steal.
If you are honest, tell me. Where did you find it?
Why should I tell you?
The new humans are hungry. Please.
Far, far away, there is a mountain filled with seeds.
Please take me, little one.
No.
Please.
No.
Please take me, little one.
No, no, no.
Take me!
No, no, no.
I'm sorry. Please, take me, little one.
Okay, follow me.
She will take him to the sacred mountain, filled with amaranth, chia, beans, and corn. What do you think?
Oh, I like it.
It could be eaten with every meal, don't you think?
Oh, yes, I do.
This is the divine word. Corn will be the food of all humans. Precious serpent, bring the mountain back to us. failed. Who can strike the mountain and scatter the seeds?
It's a small one, the little one, the crippled one.
He is Nahuatl, the humble one. He must ask the spirit of rain for help.
Called the crippled one.
The waters are carrying the seeds into the fields.
How beautiful they are sprouting. They are flowering.
There is white corn and dark corn, yellow corn and turquoise corn, beans and amaranth seeds, early corn and late corn, dry corn and healthy corn and squash.
The corn is bringing her to life. Let us show her how to use the seeds to divide and to heal.
Let us show her how to use the 20-day names and the 13 numbers to keep the 260-day sacred year. Watch. The day one came on is the precise starting point of the 13-day count, all born within its count. 1 came on, 2 wind, 3 house, 4 lizard, 5 serpent, 6 death, 7 deer, 8 rabbit, 9 water, 10 dog, 11 monkey, 12 grass, 13 reed. Will have good fortune. A very different fortune accompanies the next 13 days. 1 jaguar, 2 eagle, 3 vulture, 4 movement, 5 flint, 6 rain, 7 flower, 8 cayman, 9 wind, 10 house, 11 lizard, 12 snake, 13 death. The 20 names and 13 numbers revolve on to 13 flower, the last day of the sacred calendar.
Each new year begins again with the day 1 came on.
We give man and woman a divine place in this sun. But do they rejoice? Do they sing? Do they dance? Do they pray to us? No.
Perhaps we could create something to ease the pain and the hardness of life.
But who can help us?
Precious serpent, as the wind is flying off to ask for help from a maiden, a forbidden maiden, guarded by her grandmother, the star demon of the nighttime sky.
Come with me to Earth. We will sing and dance together.
No, my grandmother will kill me. No. No.
Come with me. I'm strong and fast as the wind. I will protect you.
Precious serpent is taking the maiden, Nahuatl, to Earth.
They are hiding in the shape of a tree.
The spirit of the wind is one branch. Nahuatl is the other.
Her grandmother and her star demon will catch them
Why? Let them dance.
She must be sacrificed to give woman her tools, her needle, her yarn, and her medicine.
Those star demons are devouring her.
They have eaten her. Now the wind spirit must gather her pieces.
The fire must cremate her, and the water must nourish her ashes so that she may grow in the earth.
So that she may grow into the maguey plant. Look, the humans are learning to use her gift.
They are learning to weave and make pulque. The sacrifice of Mayawel is good. The spirit of maguey gives them yarn for their capes, maguey spines for their ceremonies, medicine to heal, and pulque, the honey milk that takes away pain and warms the hearts of the elders.